Your bugs can tell who you are. Do you know what I mean? Your bugs can define even your personality. Hey, this is Professor VjGutWell in your favorite YouTube channel. Recently, I came across a study about this, conducted in the US. Researchers over there looked at the gut microbiome of 600 individuals. By microbiome, I mean the trillions of microbes that reside in your gut along with their genes. These scientists discovered that those who were more gregarious and flamboyant had a more diverse gut microbiome than those who were more anxious or stressed. Here, the genetic influence of the gut microbes, which far outnumber the human genes, cannot be challenged. Remember, you carry 3.5 million bacterial genes against 23,000 human genes in you. It is no match. This advantage could be attributed to the liberal sharing of bacteria between people with large social networks. It follows then that travelers also had a more assorted gut bacteria, while stay-put people had lower diversity. Of course, in any case, 600 people lending their stool to know about their personality sounds crazy, isn't it? I am not surprised though. I'll tell you why. It is being increasingly realized that gut microbes have a direct influence on our body and mind, and therefore could have a bearing on our personality. After all, what is personality? Broadly speaking, it is about the type of person you are, which is shown by the way you behave, feel and think, and your body and mind is sure to influence it. In fact, research on gut microbiome and its influence on the gut-brain connection has been shown to have a definite influence on the stress response, anxiety and depression and related behaviors, communication and even social relationships. Mood disorders and gut issues can be a formidable combination in influencing one's personality over a time. Irritable bowel syndrome is a typical case in point. Traditionally, it is the gut where the issue is to originate and negatively influence the gut-brain connection and aggravate the symptoms of a condition like irritable bowel syndrome, which in turn can turn the table on one's personality. Of course, the other way is also possible. The brain to gut pathway, where neurological symptoms begins first, may explain why higher levels of anxiety and depression can be predictors of developing irritable bowel syndrome. Another typical example is the link between the gut bacteria and autism, a condition typified by impaired social function and other psychiatric conditions. Gut microbiota correction is found to be very supportive of autism management. Even more intriguingly, human fecal transplant has transferred depressive symptoms from humans to mice. These results add a new dimension to our understanding of personality and reveals that microbiome gut-brain axis may also be relevant to personality variation even in general population. Thus, man and his microbes, his body and mind are all intertwined in defining his personality.